Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to disable filtering on what you see in X. If you want to have complete control over the content you view without any automatic filtering, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Once the app is open, you'll be directed to the main screen. Step 2. Locate the account icon, usually positioned in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the Account Settings menu, tap on Settings and Support. This action will open a drawer with additional options. Step 4. From the drawer, find and tap on Setting and Privacy. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage various settings. Step 5. On the new screen, tap on Privacy and Safety and select Account Information. This section allows you to adjust privacy preferences and safety settings related to your account. Step 6. Within the Account Information section, locate and tap on Content You See. This option allows you to manage the filtering of the content you view on X. Step 7. Enable the option Display media that may contain sensitive content. By doing this, you disable the automatic filtering of sensitive content, giving you full control over what you see. Now, you can enjoy a personalized viewing experience on X, tailored to your preferences, without any automatic filtering. Thank you for watching, and may your X viewing experience be unrestricted and customized to your liking.